Thursday. I just wanted to make a quick video trying these eco paper straws. They're compostable and plastic free. It was out 100 packs and they are actually patterned. They have a little design on them. I've never tried paper straws from Walmart. I always just grab extra free ones from the movie theater. This is what I've been using the past few days. The free ones in my new Temu travel mug, but it's like very tight to get through the holes, so I just wanted to show you what it looks like in the hole because it's very tight. So yeah, I'm going to quickly rinse that out from yesterday and throw this out, and wanted to try one of the new ones with you guys. I also wanted to mention this water kettle I did set up yesterday that I showed in that Walmart grocery video, and it only takes 11 minutes to boil. So I filled it with water right below the max line, boiled it once through, then dumped that water out, then boiled it again, and then used the first batch of water to make a small cup of something, and it tasted fine. And yeah, it didn't taste plasticky, and yeah, it only took 11 minutes exactly to boil when you do it to the max amount, just below the max amount. So yeah, this is really good. All you have to do is push the little button on the side there, but I didn't want to make a whole video about it because it would have been really boring, just literally unboxing it and rinsing it out and filling it with water. So let's quickly rinse this coffee thermos out. Okay, so I have a hack that I've been doing with the decaf coffee to make it last longer. And once it cools, I pour, like after many hours, I pour a bottle's worth in my BPA-free spare water bottle. And then I can use that for a few days. Because I'm making iced coffee, it tastes fine using leftover decaf coffee for a few days. Rather than if I'm making hot coffee, I prefer the fresh stuff. Oh yeah, I like to put the ice in first. Yeah, that's how I've been doing it for a long time. Oh, and an update about this ice cube tray. If you go to put the ice cubes out right away, I haven't let it de-thaw, but it is hard to get them out right away. So it's good to wait maybe 1 or 2 minutes before trying to get them out, because the first minute, if you try right away in this ice cube tray, they're a little hard to get out. Oh, trying to get the last one out. Okay. Fill this up with more water in a minute. And we'll just move it over. Okay, let's fill it with some leftover decaf I had set aside from a day ago. I still have more for some later today. And then my usual 5 pumps of the Matteo sugar-free syrup. Surprisingly, it takes up a lot of space. Fills up a lot of space when you put the syrup in. That's how full it is right now. It's actually close to the top. Well, when you don't bend it like that, it's pretty close to the top. Okay. Probably about 160 calories worth of cream right there. So all the calories I'm getting the cream. Just gonna quickly fill this up with water before I forget to maybe some ice. Okay, just about done. And I was also just taking up a lot of space here. Just gonna dry my hands. Okay, and then what I've been doing with the straws from the movie theater I use the straw to stir the coffee. So okay, so that is what they look like. Yeah, these look thinner than the movie theater straws I take. Okay, here's what the blue one looks like. I'll show you, there's a red one too. And here's what the red one looks like. I think I will go with the blue one. Yeah, I didn't know how thick these would be, so this is actually perfect timing. Hope they're the same amount of deepness. Let's see. Yeah, they should be. Yeah. I think they're not as long as the movie theater straws I get, but should be deep enough to stir the ice and everything. It's more about stirring in the syrup that I want kind of mixed in with it, so it's properly mixed in so I can taste it, so it doesn't go to the bottom or anything. Give that a good stir. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. Yeah, roughly this is probably around 160 calories, so literally all the calories are just from that cream, so oh man, this is hard to, just the only thing with this timing thing is just the lid. I guess that's good because the lid won't break easily, but the lid is so hard to open. Oh good, yeah, the straw fits much better in this one. Just gotta screw it on. No, I'm putting it on at an angle. Okay, don't want to wreck this mug, I want it to last long. Okay, there we go. Huh. The only thing is it's kind of sinking, but yeah. I did say in another video in the description how I don't like how a lot of YouTubers, they have this trend where they buy the reusable water bottles that come with the reusable metal straw or plastic straw it comes with, and they use it for years or until they buy the next one that's trending. But I don't get how they would properly wash out the grime that would build up over time of the inside of the straw. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there's something they can buy to get like right in there. But I mean, they're wider straws than these, but I'm just saying, like, I don't get how they would clean those over time. So for me, I just prefer the paper straw and then throwing it away. So let's see. Yeah. Doesn't taste any different. It's just a straw, but yeah. Glad these are eco-friendly. I don't like that it's really short, but it will be much easier to pull out in the morning. I don't like that the longer ones were kind of sticking, so yeah, that is my quick little review. If only these were longer, so I'll keep an eye out. I think these are the only paper straws at Walmart that I could find, but I'll keep an eye out on like Amazon, or maybe you guys can link me one where they're like long paper straws. But yeah, hopefully you guys have a good day. We have to go file our taxes today, so it's going to be a very busy day. So just wanted to do this quickly before we head out later.